Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious croissant pizza. First, unroll one package of store-bought crescent roll dough onto a baking sheet. Gently press the perforations together to form a solid rectangular crust. For a crispier base, pre-bake this dough for about 5 minutes in an oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. This quick step helps prevent a soggy bottom and ensures a perfectly golden crust for your pizza. Next, it's time to add your favorite flavors. Spread about 1/2 cup of pizza sauce evenly over the warm, pre-baked croissant crust, leaving a small border for the edges. Then, generously sprinkle 1 to 1½ cups of shredded mozzarella cheese over the sauce. Now, get creative with your toppings. Add pepperoni, cooked sausage, mushrooms, or bell peppers to make it uniquely yours. Don't overload it, though, to ensure even baking. Once topped, place your croissant pizza back into the 375 degree Fahrenheit oven. Bake for approximately 10 to 15 minutes, or until the croissant crust turns a beautiful golden brown and the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly browned at the edges. Keep a close eye on it to prevent overbrowning. After baking, carefully remove the pizza from the oven and let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. This helps the cheese set. Your delicious croissant pizza is now ready to enjoy. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh basil leaves or a sprinkle of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. This recipe typically yields about 8 generous slices, making it perfect for a quick family dinner or a fun appetizer for guests. Feel free to experiment with different cheese blends, a white garlic sauce, or even breakfast toppings for endless variations. Enjoy your easy and tasty creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.